A very good morning to all class 10 students. We were continuing with the chapter Lifelines of National Economy, means the means of communication, the means of transport, the railways, the roadways, the airways that constitute tremendously towards the development of any nation, and they are the backbone of developing economy like India. So today I'll be covering the various kinds of roads that we see in India. As we move from our house, we move on a road. Normally some roads come to our house also, but some roads do not. Some are terms at streets, some are terms at national highways, some are state highways. So different types of roads are there in India. तो बात करते हैं कौन कौन सी रोड है. फर्स्ट वन इज the express national highways. May note it down. The first one is express national highways. These national highways are basically 6 and 4 lanes. 4 lanes means 4 vehicles can pass. 6 lane means 6 vehicles can pass at a while. Means सड़क के अंदर ये 4 सड़क के अंदर 6 सड़क डिवीजन. दे आर क्वाइट ब्रॉडेड. दीज आर नोन एज एक्सप्रेस नेशनल हाईवेज, and these connect cities to cities, states to states, and on these highways the traffic moves very rapidly at a very fast pace. Okay, you normally drive on Kashipur highway. You normally drive to Delhi on Moradabad highway. These are NH. All NH are called national highways. These are express highways because on these highways you cannot run Belgadi. Normally people run at 200, 150 speed. Heavy vehicles, fast moving vehicles are seen. छोटे मोटे चूहे मकोड़े जैसे अल्टो फेल्टो है, ये सब नहीं चलती यहाँ पे, उड़ जाती हैं. ओके, सो such vehicles, such national highways carry these sort of things. There are many national highways in India. The leading metropolitan highways are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and the Golden Quadrilateral Expressway National Highway, also known as Swarnim Chaturbhuj, that connects 4 metropolitan cities together, that are Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, and Chennai. Connecting Kanyakumari, that is the southernmost point of India, to Kashmir, that is the northernmost point of India, the north-south corridor. This is known as north-south corridor. It is also a national highway. मतलब सोच लो, Kanyakumari, that is the southern point of India, to Kashmir, that is the peak of India. इतनी लंबी रोड है. This is the highway known as a national highway. Okay. There are other national highways also, of which I will be providing you the notes. These days, in the last 20 years or so, we have seen a lot of development of national highways. We find a national highway in our Gadarpur, we find a national highway Kashipur bypass to Sitarganj, we find a national highway connecting us to Delhi, we find a national highway connecting us to Jaipur, different national highways. We find a national highway connecting us to Punjab. All great highways there. So national highways are express national highways. Now I will talk about national highways, NH, simple highways like the Kashipur highway and all. These are small highways, express highways, where we have limitations of speed. They are also very important. They connect important cities inside the cities. Like you will see, we begin a highway from Khatima and we end at Kashipur. This is known as national highway. Okay. There are also national highways that connect us to Bareilly. If we move from Kicha side to Bareilly, we are on a national highway. Now we have a national highway that connects us to Nainital. If we begin from Rampur. So these are normal national highways. And what I talked before was express highway, like Yamuna Expressway, Ganga Expressway. There are number of corridors and expressway highways. Then we come to state highways. The third one is state highways. Next in importance after the national highways is the state highway. These roads link the state capital with important cities of the state. देहरादून को हल्द्वानी से, देहरादून को पौड़ी से, देहरादून को हरिद्वार से जोड़ने के लिए जो हाईवेज हैं, जो रोड्स हैं, दे आर नोन एज स्टेट हाईवेज. लाइक यूपी में चले जाओ तो लखनऊ को सारी जगह से जो स्टेट्स जो हाईवेज कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज स्टेट हाईवेज. फर्दर अब स्टेट के बाद तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट ही आएगा. सो डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड्स जो हमारी नॉर्मल सड़क होती हैं, ज़िले की सड़कें जो बनती हैं, जैसे कि गुलरभोज रोड हो गया, ये आपका अंदर के रोड्स हो गए, ये सारे जो है दे आर नोन एज डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड्स. डिस्ट्रिक्ट के सेंटर को रुद्रपुर से गदरपुर को जोड़ना, रुद्रपुर से किच्छा को जोड़ना, ऑल दीज रोड्स आर नोन एज डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड्स. डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंटर को जोड़ना. एंड फाइनली द स्ट्रीट्स और द विलेज रोड्स जो विलेज के अंदर होती है. तुम्हारे अंदर गाँव में कंक्रीट भी हो सकती है, इंटरलॉकिंग रोड भी हो सकती है, डामर रोड भी हो सकती है, कच्ची रोड भी हो सकती है, खड़ंजा भी हो सकता है. दीज आर नोन एज विलेज रोड्स. अब जैसा बजट आ जाता है प्रधान के पास वैसी रोड बन जाती है. ओके, सो दीज आर नोन एज विलेज रोड्स. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट आर द बॉर्डर रोड्स. You must have seen on border there are roads connected. The borders are always very sensitive areas, so upkeep the border roads is duty of central government. The central government has Border Road Development Board. There is a different board known as Border Road Development Board that has been set up by the central government to maintain the border roads. Okay? न्यू रोड्स भी बनाती हैं. जैसे हम चाइना को जोड़ते हुए अभी नई रोड बना रहे हैं कि एकदम बॉर्डर तक पहुंच जाए, हमारे सामान आसानी से पहुंचें. नेपाल बॉर्डर पे बना देते हैं, भूटान बॉर्डर पे बना देते हैं, बांग्लादेश के बॉर्डर पे बना देते हैं कि कोई हमें कभी भी लड़ाई की ज़रूरत पड़े तो हम एकदम से फुल टू पहुंच जाएं, एकदम से अपना लैस वैस करके टैंक वैंक हमारे सब पहुंच जाएं और वहाँ पे तबाही मचाना चालू कर दें. सो दीज वर द वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ रोड्स that are important and the roads that are there present in India. First is the express highways like Ganga Expressway, Yamuna Expressway, that are super fast highways, 6 lane, 8 lane, बहुत चौड़ी रोडें होते हैं. Then it comes to national highways, normal national highways like मुरादाबाद हाईवे, NH2, NH4, पंजाब की रोड्स जो होती हैं जो डिफरेंट सिटीज़ को कनेक्ट करती हैं, चंडीगढ़ हाईवे, दीज आर द नेशनल हाईवेज. स्टेट हाईवेज मैंने बताया कैपिटल से दूसरी सिटीज़ को कनेक्ट करने के लिए स्टेट हाईवेज होते हैं. देन इट कम्स टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड्स, ज़िले की सड़कें आप देखते हो, गुलरभोज रोड आप देख लो, ये कैनिया वाली रोड, दीज आर कॉल्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड्स. एंड फाइनली द विलेज रोड जो गांव के अंदर होती है, पक्की कच्ची संकीर्ण छोटी मोटी सड़कें जो बनती हैं वो विलेज रोड्स होती हैं डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट आर द border roads for keeping an eye on the border, for supplying arms and ammunition, for helping the soldiers. We have border roads also, and these roads are separately managed by the central government through Border Road Development Board or Border Road Development Authority is assigned to keep up the roads at border. So my dear students, I hope this various kinds of roads is clear to you. I was expecting that some students will come to school to clarify their doubts, and in the same way they will bring their notebooks also for me to check. But still you are enjoying Corona at home. So Corona में कुछ करो ना, बट मेरी रोड ज़रूर बना लो और मेरी बुक ज़रूर बना लो. ओके? अगर नहीं मिली मेरी किताबें, मैं नहीं दूंगा तुम्हें नंबर. ठीक है? किसके? सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट के, किसके? project work के. But I know my students are very good. I can learn from the views, can see the views on my channel that 9th class students are very good. They are watching, they are completing their notes, they are asking the questions also. But some students, those who are not completing, please be sure that though I am available online, but still I am watching you offline. Okay? It is bye for now. I'll come back with another video tomorrow. So stay tuned to my channel and subscribe it.